In this video, we check water tolerance of resin. As we know, the resin is the base product of phenol and formaldehyde. So here we check how much water the resin is diluted completely. For this testing, we take a glass cylinder, and the main thing is resin and water. First, we take resin in the glass cylinder. Here I take 10 ml of resin and now add water with the resin. Mix properly so that it can dilute it completely. Now the resin is completely diluted with the water. Now check the tolerance ratio. Here first we take 10 ml of resin. Now check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our ratio is 1:7. In the same way we can check the tolerance of MPF resin, PF resin, MUF resin, UF resin. Any resin tolerance we can check.